Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads expert, and as well as SEO certified plus owner of a Google partner company. So I'm here with a new tutorial regarding how to create a Google Ads campaign which you can rank on absolute top of Google. So ranking on absolute top of Google is not difficult. There are few strategies which you need to keep in mind while creating your campaign. So I'm going to be step by step explaining you the procedure on how to create. So let's get started without wasting any time. So once you land on your Google Ads dashboard, it's going to be a simple dashboard like this. Over here you can see over here it's a simple dashboard. All you have to do is to move on to the campaign side, or even you can press the new campaign from info the main page as well. So all you have, plus you can create a new campaign from over here, or if it's difficult for you from the overview or from the dashboard, you can simply select the new button and create a new campaign. Select the new campaign over here, and then now select your goal. We can see that Google offers you 7 kind of goals, but we can go with anyone. So let's say we're going with a sale. So you have to create your own conversion tracking so that you can track on which keywords are working well for you. Once you have created it, now go below. Now select search, performance max, display, shopping, because it's going to be a search campaign, because I wanted to rank top on the Google search. So it's going to be a search campaign. Then what is your goal? Do you want more visits? Do you want more phone calls? Or do you want people to visit your store offline? Or do you want more people to download your app? So let's say we are going with the website visits. We can also select multiple goals as well, but let's say we are going with this website visit, and I'm going to write my agency name as the default over here, and then I'm going to select the continue over here. Once I select this, I can select my bidding where I do not want to focus on. I want to focus on conversions, conversion value, clicks, and impression share. Now you have to select the fourth option, impression share. Mostly people select the click option over here. Now I'm suggesting you to select the impression share. And now once you select the impression share, then they will ask you where do you want your ads to appear. If you select this one, you're going to be three options: anywhere on result page, top of result page, or absolute top of result page. Since you wanted to get on absolute top of Google result page, you're going to select one, but this one is going to be cost you a slightly more. So in case if you're okay with first or second ranking, then you can offer the top of the result page, which is also good as well. But with the absolute top is going to be very expensive, so which is why I'm going to recommend you to offer the top of the result page. And then you select the percentage impression share to target. In case if you are having a huge budget, you can select on 100%, but in case if you are tight budget, and say it also depends on the niche where you are targeting on. So let's say we are going with a 5.02 bit. Now the reason I'm selecting the 5.02, it's because mostly people target $5, 4.9. So with 5.02 you are going to get a top position. Now once you select this, select the next option from over here. Then you have to remove the Google display network. You have to remove this Google search network, even because we are wanted to show top on the Google search results. Then select your location target, then select your language, then select the audience. Segmenting is again, it's an optional. It's not very good with search, but rather it's very good with the display campaign. So it's ideal for display, but not with the search campaigns, but you can still select one. And then use an option of broad match keywords. I recommend you people to have phrase match keywords. They work very well, and with broad match you can get highly irrelevant traffic. And the only difference between this is that in case if you wanna have uh, if you wanna shift this keyword to broad match, you can simply select this one and supply. And this normal keyword has been converted to phrase match, but there is another tool as well through which you can bulk change all of the keywords rather than manually selecting them. And then select your ad. Google has by default selected and designed a template for me. You can see over here like a professional grade PPC, because we provide PPC and SEO services, so it has automatically picked the headline from over here. And then it has also provided the description. So a lot of stuff has been done. I need to add my business logos, I need to add my site link, I need to add my phone number. So for further optimization, then I'm going to select done, and then I'm going to select next. and then I'm going to set my budget. Google has suggested me some budget, but do not rely on this because it's going to be Google has it got a data. So just a second. So it was a security update from the Google. Google thought that someone else is trying to log into my account, but we verified it. Now Google has suggested a daily budget, but you can increase or change. But keep in mind that your budget may fluctuate depending upon your keyword optimization. That also plays a huge role. And then select next. Then they are going to see the everything over here, and then you just simply have to publish this campaign. Once you select the publish, your campaign is going to be live. So yeah, it's a very great and quick way to create a campaign that ranks on absolute top of the page. Is just I'm going to tell you again for your reference, so you guys do not miss it. In case if you go to the settings, and here you can okay, let me see the campaign again as well, because that was not the campaign which I created right now. The campaign which we created right now is this one. Yes, this one is the campaign, and we can see that the search network is being done over here, and we can see over here that the bidding is on target impression share, and it's showing on top of result page now, which makes sure that our ad will only be shown at the top position, not on the below position, not on the footer, but on the top and the top slot. So this is a quick hack. In case if you are concerned regarding only ranking on the top position, or if you want your ad to be only shown on the top position, use this tool and it's going to be very good. And regarding changing the keywords, for those who don't know, in case if you want to change to bulk all of the keywords to broad match to phrase match, or phrase match to broad match, you just have to select all of the keywords, and Google offers you the option over here like change match type, and you can change all match types, and it's very easy procedure over here. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. In case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, or SEO or web development services, all you have to do is just to simply click in the link in the description to reach with me, and we can help you creating an optimized campaign on all digital media. And if you like this video, I want you guys to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever we create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.